In today's video, I'll show you how to create this outline text effect. Let's get to it. Here we are in After Effects, and to begin first we need the video. Here is my example. And then we want to isolate the main subject so that we can place text behind it. But before we do, let's make sure the time indicator is at the start of the video, then double click on it so it opens in a separate window. Then in the tools bar, select Roto brush tool and then click and paint over the area we want to include. Then you should see this purple outline around the subject. Everything that stays inside of this purple outline will remain. Everything that is outside of it will get removed. Now once you've made the selection, head over to the Effect Controls panel and set Quality to Best for better results. And after this, you can move one frame forward at a time, and After Effects will automatically adjust the mask to the next frame, or you can simply press spacebar to activate the preview and watch the rotoscoping happen live. And you can mess up at some point. If you notice that, you can stop the preview and add an area that it did not include. Or if you want to exclude a certain area, you hold the Alt key on the keyboard and then paint over the area to exclude that. And then from this point, let's continue the preview. And after you're done rotoscoping, make sure you click on Freeze button to lock the frames. And after you've frozen the frames, let's go back to the main composition. You can see we removed the background, and now we can duplicate this video layer. So scroll up, select it, then go up to Edit, Duplicate, or press Ctrl D as the shortcut. Then select the bottom video, and in Effect Controls, select Roto Brush and delete it, so we're back to the original view. Now we can select the Type tool, make sure none of the layers are selected, and then click and type something. Then go ahead and reposition the text, adjust its scale to your liking. And after that, let's place the text layer in between the two video layers. And now it will appear behind the subject that we've rotoscoped. And make sure that this text layer has fill on it. So if you open character window, you can see it has fill. So now we can select the text layer and press Ctrl D to duplicate it and move this layer all the way up above all other layers. And while it's selected, in the character window, click on this icon to swap fill and stroke. So this layer on top has the stroke without the fill. And you can see we already have this effect. So now if you do the preview, here is the outline effect going. And if you want to quickly reposition both text layers, you can simply right click in the empty space over here, new null object, select both text layers, and then parent them to the null using this pick whip tool to grab it on top of the null, let go. And now if we select the null object, we can simply move the null and you can see that the effect stays. You can also make it bigger and stuff like that. Also, if you want to add glow to the text, you can open Effects and Presets, search for glow, and add the regular glow to the outline text. Then in Effect Controls, I'm going to increase the glow radius to 50, then select the glow, press Ctrl D to duplicate it. And for the second glow, I'm going to set glow radius to 200. So now we have the glowing text, so here is the preview. So that's how you create an outline text effect in After Effects. Thank you for watching.